Hi YouTube family. If you are in the early stages of starting a business or launching an online store, you will want to stick around because today we will be showing you step by step how you can get a free trial from Shopify to get started. Just head down to this description below and you will find a link of for a 3 days trial. When that trial period is up, you can enjoy 3 additional months of Shopify services for just $1 each. If the it's the best deal of out there right now, so don't miss out. Head down to Shopify, types in your email and click start free trial. Once you have done all that, you will have to answer some brief questions about any experiences you might have with building a website. Not to worry if you don't, as Shopify makes the process simple for you, and you will get already selling products online or a person. You can click on the option to migrate your site to Shopify, but you are just getting starting. You can let them now and then click next now. Think about where you want your products to be sold. If you are thinking strictly online, check this option which will set up your account for creating your own e-commerce website. If you are got an existing website or blog, Shopify can help you add a buy button. If you are looking to sell on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Google, you should check the online marketplace options. Shopify can interrogate with them, allowing you to add your store across the different platforms. If you are not quite sure about all of this yet, um, that's okay. You can always revisit these options later on in the Shopify dashboard. On the flip side, if you are running a brick and mortar store, a pop-up market, or something similar, select that box. If you are planning to say sign your store with Facebook and Instagram shops or their social media channels, make sure to check that option to Shopify. Will the add all the necessary integration to your account to so you can work with them seamlessly. Once that's one done, hit the next button again. Now consider the products you plan to offer. You have several choices here. These could be products your personality by make and ship yourself, dropship products, print or demand items, or digital products and services. You are unsure about what to sell, you can always do some research or explore Shopify app integration like App Science or AutoDS, which help you find products to sell. I have personally sold product I have made before, but recently I have been trying my hand and dropshipping. If you are about dropshipping and want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We regularly post new videos or dropshipping to help you along. After setting up a store, Shopify will generate your new account and you will see the Shopify dashboard. From here, you can click on select a plan based on your data. Shopify will suggest a plan tailored to your specific needs. For example, if you have focusing on direct face-to-face sales, the retail plan might work for you as the it includes a point of sale option. However, if you are starting a new e-commerce store, I suggest going for the best plan, as it's cover all the essentials for building and expanding your online store. In my case, I choose the basic plan one. Once you can make your selection, you will be taken to the payments page where you will enter your payment information. You can choose to pay annual or monthly, with rates varying slightly depending on your choice. After adding your payment details, all that's left is to subscribe. Once completely, you will be taken back to the Shopify dashboard.